Hey there. In this video, we're going to walk you through Cloudshot because we know you're probably wondering, what exactly is Cloudshot? So, today we're going to answer it completely. Cloudshot is your all-in-one CloudOps powerhouse built to help you visualize, monitor, control, and optimize your entire cloud infrastructure. Whether you're using AWS, Azure, GCP, and many more, Cloudshot unifies everything into one powerful dashboard. From real-time performance monitoring to automated deployments, to cost optimization that actually saves you money. Cloudshot is built for cloud engineers, DevOps teams, and IT managers who want more control with less complexity. And speaking of savings, Cloudshot helps you cut down unnecessary cloud costs in just a few clicks. Here's how. First, you connect your cloud accounts, AWS, Azure, GCP, all in one place. That gives you a complete view of your multi-cloud usage and spending. You can easily filter by cloud account, tags, or resource type, and even generate shareable reports in seconds. Cloudshot shows you exactly how much you could save, with clear monthly and annual estimates. And the best part? You can apply all suggestions instantly, no scripts, no manual work. It automatically identifies idle or underutilized resources, like in used virtual machines, oversized instances, or unassociated IPs. Then, it gives you smart, actionable recommendations, like deleting unused instances or resizing oversized VMs. With Cloudshot, you're not just managing your cloud, you're mastering it. Now, let's take a tour of the Cloudshot interface. In the center, we have our canvas. This is where you can design your infrastructure by dragging and dropping components and seeing how everything connects. Click on the Cloudshot menu to see all your cloud providers and their features. And if you need to find something specific, use the search bar to quickly locate any component. The refresh button updates your diagram instantly. And the deploy button lets you push your changes directly to the cloud. Then the Network Discovery button. This button allows you to map and visualize your cloud infrastructure. With the live monitoring toggle on, you'll instantly see if your instance is in a running or stopped state. No need to check the console. And here, you'll see all your added cloud accounts displayed. This plus button is your gateway to adding new cloud accounts, whether it's Azure, GCP, or any other cloud provider. Cloudshot logs, it shows real-time activity of your cloud operations with clear status indicators. All resources allows you to view and export all your cloud assets from one place. You can also check notifications and manage your profile. In the second row of buttons, you can view your pricing report, upload or download Terraform scripts, and you can view your budget to track overall cloud costs. On the left side, we have the resource palette. Each cloud provider has its own dedicated, expandable section. For example, when you click on Azure, the section expands to reveal all available Azure services. On the right side, you'll find the Arrange panel. Clicking on any resource will display its details and configuration options for easy management. By clicking the ellipsis menu, you can explore various features related to the selected resource. Cloudshot unifies all your cloud services in one easy-to-use platform. Visit our website today. We also have dedicated videos that walk you through each feature. Be sure to check them out for in-depth insights. Thank you for watching.